We all struggle to make time for things that matter. Here are some effective strategies in a 4-step daily framework that anyone can use to systematically design their lives around the things that matter the most. The ideas that I'm sharing today are from the book Make Time by Jake Knapp and John Zeratsky. Today we have two very powerful forces competing for every minute of your time. The busy bandwagon is our culture of constant busyness, the overflowing inboxes, stuffed calendars, and endless to-do lists. The second force competing for your time is what are called the infinity pools. Infinity pools are apps and other sources of endlessly replenishing content. This always available, always new entertainment is your reward for the exhaustion of constant busyness. Willpower is not the way out. Productivity isn't the solution either. Make time is just 4 steps, repeated every day. The first step is choosing a single highlight to prioritize in your day. Next, you'll employ specific tactics to stay laser focused on that highlight. Throughout the day, you'll build energy so you can stay in control of your time and attention. Finally, you'll reflect on the day with a few simple notes. There are about 80 tactics given in the book, but keep in mind that you won't be using all the tactics all the time. Here are some of them that I found especially appealing. If at the end of the day someone asks you, what was the highlight of your day? What do you want your answer to be? When you look back on your day, what activity or accomplishment or moment do you want to savor? That's your highlight. You can use 3 different criteria to choose your highlight. What's the most pressing thing I have to do today? At the end of the day, which highlight will bring me the most satisfaction? When I reflect on today, what will bring me the most joy? A good rule of thumb is to choose a highlight that takes 60 to 90 minutes. So how do you choose your highlight? You can write it down. And you don't have to reinvent yourself each day. Repeat yesterday again. Bundle up the small tasks and use batch processing to get them all done in one highlight session. You'll do better work and make faster progress if you keep at it for consecutive days. Just choose the same highlight for several days in a row and keep your mental computer running. Be the boss of your phone. Try a distraction-free phone by deleting social media apps and email, logging out of websites, and turning off almost all notifications. Next, stay out of infinity pools by ignoring the news, flying without Wi-Fi, and putting a timer on the internet. Make television a sometimes treat by not watching the news, putting it in a corner, cancelling Netflix, and instead watching content one at a time. To energize yourself, exercise every day, trick yourself into meditating, and lastly, no screen time while eating. To tailor the system for yourself, use some science. Observe what's going on. Guess why things are happening the way they are. Experiment to test your hypothesis, and measure the results and decide whether you are right. So these were some of the main ideas contained in the book. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe for more such content in the near future. I'll catch you in the next one. See you!